for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Audi Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, navigation system, power liftgate, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Come take a test drive today.